Welcome to JH. I strongly advise against trusting the website known as Vinni Shopping. After searching extensively, I could not find a single authentic review from a real customer who actually received a product. This total lack of feedback is a major warning sign, as legitimate businesses typically leave some digital footprint even if their ratings are mixed. Furthermore, several suspicious sites use nearly identical names, such as Vinni's, to confuse shoppers. Many users have reported that their purchases never arrived. Often, these sites provide fraudulent tracking details while compromising your sensitive payment information. It is a very risky situation. While the website might appear professional at first glance, extremely low prices and a lack of clear contact details are indicators of a scam. Be particularly cautious if they demand payment via bank transfers or cryptocurrency rather than standard methods. Unless you can pay through a secure platform like PayPal that offers buyer protection, it is best to avoid this site entirely. If you have already made a transaction, you should contact your bank immediately to secure your account. It is always better to be safe than sorry.